So this week we're looking at Google Docs. You can see that I have my browser, Google Chrome, open, and I've used my apps launcher to display the apps that I typically use. Here, the Google Docs app is located. It is a light blue color and it looks like a document. So I'm going to click into it. Once I'm in the Google Docs, I have a couple of options. First of all, if I just want to start typing a blank document, I can click the blank document plus sign here. It's going to bring me a Google document, and notice how Google Docs looks very similar to any other word processing program. You have the ability to create new documents, open documents, rename documents, and so forth, edit, view either print mode or with a ruler, without a ruler. You can insert images, links, equations, so it works relatively similarly to any other word processing program that you may have used. The neat thing is that here under File, you're going to be able to download the document in a number of different formats. You could download it as a DocX for Microsoft. You can download it as an open document format, in rich text format, or PDF. Those are both readable on almost any word processing platform. As a web page or as an EPUB, which would be readable on any of your e-readers. You also have the opportunity to publish that document out to the web so that others can see it and use it. Those are a few different features than you'll have in your typical word processing program. In addition, over here in the Insert area, you have the opportunity to insert equations, drawings, charts, tables, footnotes, special characters, all from this one menu. In other word processing programs, those bits and pieces are sometimes split up. Formatting, very similar to other word processing programs, tools, tables, etc. So I am going to just type a simple document. Hello, this is my simple document. That's not too tough to do. What you'll notice is it flashed up all changes saved in Drive. Every change that I make is changed approximately every 2 seconds. So in Google Drive, you don't have to worry about losing documents because you haven't been saving frequently enough. So this has already saved itself, but I can make it, I can rename it, I can download it, and so forth. Right now I'd like to rename it because currently it's named Untitled Document. So I'm going to rename it Simple because it was our simple document. Notice that I also have the opportunity to star it so that it would come up on my list of favorite documents and I could locate it very quickly. And there's a little folder here which will allow me, if I wanted to place it into a specific folder, to quickly move it into a folder. That's really about all there is to using Google Docs as far as word processing. On the right-hand side, there are a few other bits and pieces that might be of interest to you. For example, there's a commenting bar, and you can allow others to comment on your work, and Google will send you a notification when your work has been commented upon. That's really nice for collaborative writing projects. Here under Editing, you can allow others to edit directly, you can allow them to make suggestions, or you could allow them to read and print the final document that you have created. Finally, the Share button here, right now it's private only to me, but if I click the Share options, I can share with others, and I can do that a couple of ways. First, I can get a shareable link. I just copy this link and send it to others. Anybody with the link can view. I can change that to say anyone with the link can edit or comment. I could turn off sharing anytime I want. I could also do sharing by adding the names of your classmates. So if you had somebody specific you wanted to share with, and then I can give them specific permissions here as well. And finally, there is a little advanced button here which allows me to share this out through Gmail, through the G+ platform, Facebook, and Twitter, so that anyone who has this particular link, anyone I've shared the link with, can come in and either view, suggest, edit, or just read. Notice that I also can prevent editors from changing access and adding new people, so I can keep out perhaps my 3-year-old who would not have quite as good of grammar skills as the rest of us. Disable options to download, print, and copy. If it's intellectual property that you want to hold on to, you can disable that ability. Right now I'm done, so I'm going to click out of that, and that's how Google Docs works. I hope that that was helpful for those of you who have not previously worked with Google Docs in a simple format.